If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, what's going on, everyone? So today I just wanted to go over the shadow trading results for this week. So basically what I'm going to go through first, I'll start with the first day, Sunday. And see, for each day this week, it was kind of a little bit of what I would call a slow week. We only had one trade per session, which I typically like to have at least two, sometimes three trades. But anyone who knows me, especially my members, know I like to trade quality over quantity. So even though we may not have a ton of trades, we certainly have the best ones that you can get. So first off, Sunday we started off with a AUD USD position, buy position. So basically once we got in the position, there was a quick drawback. Like as soon as we got filled on our position, because most of these start with working orders, we like to get in, on the cheaper side of the contracts, usually around anywhere from $55 to $75 on the buy side of things, and then on the sell side we like to get in anywhere from, let's say, 25 to 45 or so, like that. So basically we got in on the quick drawback, and then we got in and then it had a quick drawback. So boom, it was in a sell, and then it went straight into, our direction for the buy. So we had a quick drawback, a big spike, and then it continued to spike for the rest of the hour. So that was a great first trade, and that's all we had for Sunday. Monday, we had a USD JPY sell position. We had a nice profit, a nice scalp. It just gradually kept going in our direction, So Monday was pretty steady. Tuesday, we had a Euro USD buy. Got in at a really nice cheap price, and we had a buy position that we profited on. It took about until the 30-minute mark. Anyone in the group knows we trade usually from the 7 p.m. Well, it's always the same time, but usually our trades are done within the first half hour or 45 minutes of the trading session. So we only trade for about an hour a day and make great profits in that time period. And this particular trade ended right around the 30-minute mark, and everyone in my group knows once we get around the 30-minute mark and beyond that point, if you're in the money on your position, you'll start to see your profits come in quicker. If there's room to be made or ground to be made on the trade, then you'll see that profit earlier in the 30-minute mark before halfway during the trading hour. But we didn't start to see that profit till right about the 30-minute mark. So it was starting to get into that territory where usually if I have working orders in this time period, I'll just delete them, because if it goes past that point and then the position goes against you, then you can have that time decay really affect the standing of your value of your position, and things can get really volatile, and that's not pretty. So we had a nice profit though on the Euro USD for Tuesday. And last night, Wednesday, we had a AUD USD buy position. We got in at $55 per contract, and that was just an all-around great short-term scalp. I'll show you guys here. We got in right around here, so we got in at 55, like right on this drawback, and then as you can see, it just had a boom. That next 10 minutes was just a slamming profit right there. So that was a great profitable trade. If you would have held, even here into expiration, we rarely hold past the full hour, but even if you did, you would have got maximum profits there. So we like to scalp, but that was a great long-term trade as well. So that's just what we got into this week. About to start another session here in about 20 minutes and get the group ready, and we'll go ahead and nail our last trading day of the week. If anybody wants to know, we trade Sundays through Thursdays, and we focus on scalping positions and limiting our losses, exiting or countering our plays when they are going against, my indicators and my years of experience trading. Whenever that happens, we always look to get out. As you can see, we had a nice buy position on the AUD USD, it was following a great uptrend, so that led me to that decision. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and can't wait to shout at you next time, and be safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.